Hello there guys, my name is Jensen and today we're going to be talking about what the hell is in the background there. And what it is actually me doing a template in a way. It's like it's a little thing that you guys can download to put in your art. It's going to be in the download. You guys can either have an option between either Photoshop or a normal JPEG image. Maybe Photoshop would be a bit better, since if you are drawing on top of this in Photoshop, it would probably be better. So, back to what this is. It is a it's like a forest template, and in the total time, first, before I tell you guys the total time, this is not from the beginning, and you guys probably already saw that. And the reason for that is because I lost the video file. It was about 4 hours. The video file that I lost, which kind of sucks, because that would be a really amazing thing to watch about me just starting from the bottom now right here. And yeah, so it took me 4 hours, the first video file. Then this part took me an hour. So this is an hour put down to 3 minutes. And it's an hour put down to 3 minutes. And so that means the total time of this whole entire thing is about 5 hours. So this is 5 hours of work, what you guys see right here. So it would mean obviously a lot if you guys downloaded it, and of course just leave a like button, and also tell me what you guys think. Even if it's bad, even if it's like a negative thing, I'm fine with it. I just want to hear what you guys are going to be saying. So I'm going to be doing a lot more stuff like this, because as you guys know, I'm not too good at drawing Minecraft characters, and I just don't really find that idea of drawing Minecraft characters too creative. I mean, because you're just kind of drawing the same thing over again, just with a different design, or just with a different Minecraft design. So like what I could do is just have a file of like the default Minecraft sketch outline, and it would just be like that. But unfortunately, that's not how it's going to go, since, like I said before, I'm not good at drawing Minecraft characters. And also, so now you guys might be thinking, okay, Jensen, what are you trying to say here? What I'm trying to say is, I want to be doing some more creative stuff. Like, I could be drawing another kind of biome like this, but like in Arctic or whatever. Or I could draw an Xbox 360 or One controller. I could draw just a solid tree and put as much detail into it as I want to. I could, I don't know, draw like a fish in like a huge ocean for all I want to, and then I'll just leave a download link, and then you guys can simply download it. So that's what I'm gonna be doing from now on. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this video. It really does mean a lot if you guys could leave a comment down below of what you think, like, comment, and of course subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.